Also present is, who else do we have on here? Miss Ebner
Yes.
is here. Good morning, from the Humane Society. And who else do we have?
Prosecutor Dana Pinella.
Hello there, Miss Pinella. You're here on behalf of the APL?
Yes.
And your office will be representing them during, representing the Humane Society in these proceedings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Wible, you have been charged with, in case 2023 CRB 1565R, with one count of cruelty to companion animals, a misdemeanor of the first degree in violation of Ohio Revised Code 959.131G1. It's a misdemeanor of the first degree. Altogether, there are 26 charges, separate charges.
25, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, 25 charges. Each one of those is a misdemeanor of the first degree that carries with it up to 180 days in the Portage County Jail and up to a $1,000 fine. The maximum penalty this court could impose then would be 18 months in the county jail and up to a $25,000 fine. How do you plead to these charges?
Well, Your Honor, I'm in the hospital currently.
I understand that.
Yeah, I had more than three pulmonary blood clots last week. So I was in the ICU for 3 days. So I have not even really had a chance to review these charges. Haven't had a chance to speak to anybody about them.
Okay, well, you have the right to have an attorney, and if you cannot afford one, one would be appointed to represent you. Are you going to have an attorney representing you?
Well, I would like to speak to somebody about it.
Okay, well, you can be interviewed for the public defender, or you can hire your own lawyer at any time.
Yes.
Are you able to hire your own lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, well, you need to do that as soon as possible. How do you want to plead to these charges then today?
Well, so what are the options?
Well, you can,
If
if you want to talk to an attorney, again, that's one of our basic rights, is the right to have an attorney. You can enter a not guilty plea, and the court will then set the matter for a further hearing, and you will then have an opportunity to hire a lawyer and be represented in further proceedings.
Yes.
So how do you want to plead to these charges?
Well, I'll plead not guilty today and speak to somebody.
Okay.
I can change my plea later, right?
Of course you can. This is just your initial appearance.
Yes.
And so this is just a matter of entering a plea and then setting the matter for a further hearing.
Okay.
Now, you have the right to have a speedy trial within 90 days, or you can waive that trial, or you can waive that statutory time period, and gives us, you and the court, some more flexibility as far as scheduling the matter. Would you like to waive your right to a speedy trial?
No, a speedy trial is good.
Oh, you want to have a speedy trial?
Yes.
Okay, well, that means we're going to schedule this matter for a further hearing, and there won't be a continuance. So if you have medical issues that you have to take care of and you can't be here, I can't give you a continuance. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and so you wish to exercise your right to a speedy trial.
Yes.
Okay. The matter of, what is your mailing address, ma'am?
Well, I don't know if I'm not sure where it's going to be.
Okay, well, I need to have I need to have a good mailing address. Right now, the address on the complaint is 5691 West Ridgewood Drive in Parma.
All right, that's my current address. I'm not sure if I'll be the right. That's.
Okay, well, that's the address we'll use for now. If your address changes, it is your obligation to notify the court in writing of any change of your address. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, counsel, is there any other issue you want to raise at this point?
Your Honor, Ms. Wible is also the representative of Kenai Lifeline, Inc., which has also been charged with identical counts, so she will also
Okay, that's the other chart, that's the other case. 23, CRB 1566 is the 25 charges of similar charges that is the state of Ohio versus Barbara Wible as Canine Lifeline Inc. Ms. Wible, how do you plead as representative of Canine Lifeline Inc. to those other 25 charges?
Right, not guilty.
Okay.
Speaking as a lawyer.
Okay. And again, the same penalties apply to those 25 charges, up to 180 days in jail on each charge and up to a $1,000 fine on each charge.
Yes.
Your Honor, we do have a bond request on that case.
Yes.
We would request that the corporation not be permitted to care for nor possess nor own any animal.
Well, that's what I was going to ask. That's why I asked, because I assumed that that was going to be your request. So that is either defendant, correct? I mean, the Canine Lifeline Inc. or Ms. Wible?
Yes, we have no reasonable belief that Ms. Wible herself would be in possession. However, if it would so
Okay.
be appropriate, both cases would be just fine with me.
What language did you want? No?
Not to care for, own, nor possess any animal.
Okay. Do you understand that term, Ms. Wible?
Right.
All right, you're not to own, possess, or care for any animals while these cases are pending. Do you understand that?
I do.
Okay. So the matter will be set for a further hearing. Counsel, I'm not sure which court the case is going to get assigned to, but given the fact that there's no time waiver, we'll need to schedule this for a pretrial sooner rather than later. And I know that you have a wide area that you guys are covering, so we'll need to try and coordinate that with your office so that there's no conflicts.
I appreciate that, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. Ms. Ebner, anything else from you?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Wible, you'll get your notice of the next hearing at the Parma Road address. Thank you.